Then from girlfriend Nemali special guys.
I think she got the present from the ex. And she don't wanna say it. Ex, and she don't wanna say it.
Okay, but Nandaba,
You remember?
Because siyenza nani namasiza and this is dangerous.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
For lesbian, I don't know. You can correct me. I think the diseases can only come.
Ilimi.
Okay, I got a question for you.
If I shoot the video like Avezugus, then I shave you and say a private party. I kill you.
Yeah,
Mauzothi.
Yeah.
Amadoda izinja. Obviously, usukuhethiwe. Lo wani usukakhethile bese ubona bonke
izinja zamampela ayekhona ke bani ukuthi uwele emanzini bele laphuma.
Yeah.
Like atmosphere yalapha.
No Cap Podcast. Up next.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we do anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. We're back, guys. Even though today is a short thing here and there, but we are here to give you a show, guys. Like, we can't fade you, guys. So please, guys, if you're new, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is episode 3, ne? Episode number 3 of No Cap. No cap, guys. We ain't lying in this bitch, nigga. We ain't lying. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell, guys. Please share, guys. Even if you can just press share, then it will go to your favorites and whatnot, so they can see what we're doing here. We're doing these things for you guys. You know, it's cold outside, it's raining outside, but we are here to give you a show, guys. If you are new, guys, if you don't know me, Sitole as me. Yeah, man, I'm not alone, as you can see. I'm with.
Ngalega lokho lokhuluma bafethu uNtsako intombi ezinye intombi.
Hayi.
Ikhulile intombi ezinye intombi angisalingani nana episode 2 sekudala udlule episode
2. Yeah. That's very true. Stathema lapho dona.
Samran guys, umatimpuzo nesilo.
Ntombazane ifa.
Yeah.
Zakwathi bathi ifoqa or ifaqa, but no, ifaqa.
Yini
Ifaqa.
Faqa.
Phela
Oh, it's gonna you know Xhosa and Zulu.
Mina ngiyindodana yolahleko. Ngiwa inheritile ama language engiwakhulumayo.
Yeah.
Not so.
When you are Kasi
Bemele ngabe ngiya bathini ngeSwati mawukhuluma kona lokho ngiswazi. Yeah, yabo.
bathini
Bemele ngabe ngithi bomnaka la ngithi bobani so.
Yeah. So guys, my co-host here, guys, she was so excited. We didn't shoot actually, guys. We didn't shoot last week because she was celebrating a birthday. By the way, happy belated Dora! Happy belated Dora! Yeah, I'm gonna edit that video. Anyway, like happy belated Dora. How was your birthday in Dona?
Birthday extraordinary. Ibona lento bizwa into phezulu KK.
You couldn't make it.
Celebrate with style.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like what did you do? You know.
So ufuna ngiexpose.
Come on now. We're family here. We're family. Where's any?
Emini ngambile ngayona abantu engabona belungu ngayoswima.
Do you know how to swim?
No. It's just that bengambe nomuntu obeyabo bekangitshela ukuthi eqina.
Cause you know there's like those people who when they go to swimming and everything, they just go there, the shorts and put and put their feet in the water and whatnot.
So lezinto lezi lama rights akhona. Yabo.
Amalona, just kids.
No.
Yeah.
Imidlalo lekho.
Oh, Lena. Ngathi niyalona, niyashiriza whatever.
Yeah.
Damn, okay, I'm a slides.
Yo, bengwele emanzini.
Where were you?
Emanzini.
No, where were you guys?
Abangifaka ngamala ngebirthday yami.
Come on, I get it now. We want to plug.
Ngeke ngiyadlala bengiye Happy Island.
Happy Island.
Yeah.
Where is Happy Island?
Kruger stop.
Oh shit. Okay, so you drove.
Samenge Uber.
Yeah. Because he didn't know the place.
Yeah.
He just wanted some location.
Check a shame.
Yeah.
Keep it under Sako. Yeah, it's a good place.
Yeah.
Like it's
Happy
very
place.
fun. Happy place. Ayekho nakebani ukuthi uwele emanzini bele laphuma.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
like atmosphere yalapha.
It was just top
Because
notch.
yeah. Umuntu nomuntu unake into zakhe.
Yeah.
Umuntu wenza into afuna ukuyenza you know mina I'm shy
Yeah,
and then bengacabanga ukuthi ngizoswima ngizodlala lezi zinto zakho
Yeah, ama-slides and whatnot.
but ngiyenzile yonke into.
Shout out Ndwana. And then Ndwana, how was your week? On the other week, did you guys celebrate Nontsako on?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of a
Just
present?
nje ungakhuluma ukuthi bekwenzeka la.
And then what kind of a present did you get from Nontsako?
Present. Yo,
My
guys.
friends don't buy presents.
What do you mean? Your friends don't buy present? Huh?
Thina
Maybe njengoba sikhulu.
Yeah.
amara sithole man eish.
One thing I know for sure, sorry kumkhathi
Sure.
uZungu unothando.
Yeah.
And then uyathanda ukwenzela abantu. It's just that manje akakabi namanje.
Shut up.
Ukuba khona kwakhe
Yeah.
man, ukuba khona kwabangani bami means a lot to me. I don't expect anything.
Yeah.
Oh,
So wait. Are you telling me, Ndwana, like you didn't get any present?
I did get something.
Something like one Ndwana. Something like what? Like okay.
It's just that
I wanted to know like
Ngithole-
the weirdest present that you got. Right?
no, it's not weird. Ngithole, you know man, it's difficult to explain, but yeah, ngithole something from someone special. Let me just say that.
Someone special.
Yeah, someone lo bengamcabanga ukuthi angenzela something,
Yeah.
but she did something for me.
Then you were like, damn.
Then from a girlfriend nemali special guys.
I think she got the present from the ex. And she don't wanna say it. She got a present from the ex and she don't wanna say it.
Okay, but akunandaba ngoba sicala sibulala.
You remember the ex? I was just cooking this. I
got something useful, something thoughtful
Yeah.
from someone special. Yeah. Sikulo nyaka ungathekelani amabheke guys. Sithengelani into ezakhayo, into ezuseful.
Like what? Okay. What is something that is useful to you?
Yabo lento yokufaka ilaundry. Angazi bebiza laundry wathiwa yokufaka impahla engcolile.
Yeah. Like laundry bin and stuff. Yeah.
From Mr. Price Home.
And Mr. Price Home cooks the best laundry bins, especially like sometimes it's
yakwazi
folder.
Yeah,
Damn, okay.
ukuthi I lo masaka uyerumini abangayinemanje ukuthi banga something nyana ngabo hayi bangincingisile sorry. It's really special.
So guys, I wanna know something, right? I wanna know something like as people as like we're growing and stuff, né? You see, you went to a happy place where you had fun and everything, where you was like, yo, there's nobody who's not carrying anyone there, and we're just having fun, me with my person, right? So like I wanna ask you something, né? Because I know you were, previous relationship, boom. Yeah. I wanna know from you, can you find a love at the groove or a clapping? Is it possible? So tell her now, why are you puzzling? I'm gonna start with you.
No, akazuye but
Yeah.
cabangani, can you find love?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngathola nje uthando laphana phela kusho ukuthi umuntu mangabe egroove
Yeah.
sokumuntu ongenathando something ngathola nje futhi emagroove khona like khona amantombazane owabonayo ukuthi no man impilo yakhe stable lokuthi
Funisha moyo.
yeah so ngathola uthando egroove mara ngisho ukuthi yebo kodwa ngathola
That's it.
I For me, it's a two-way thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, njengoba uzungasho, yeah. Ungalithola uthando ku-group, but not for me.
Yeah.
I don't think I can find love ku-group. Cause the way ngikuthola ngakhona.
Yeah.
Nale ndawo ngikutholela kuye. Why kumele kube so easy for us like ukuthi ngibone i-future kuwe na ubone i-future then boom push. Then yabo ukuthi yilento ezocreator ngathina yangasini ama insecurities or ungazithembi or because next thing sasa remember ngihlangane nawo ku-group and I can't change that thing ukuthi awusayi lapho because you are dating me.
Yeah.
But sasa mawuphuma ku-group mina ngicabanga
Which you gonna
you're
find somebody.
soulmate,
Yeah.
But yeah, we find love, man. Weird places, but for me now, nah. I think I'm gonna treat her as a groomist in a way.
Shout out. Because like I was watching some other show where they were saying don't let more like a group things to be in a way of you finding your true love. Yeah, something like that. Then I was like, nah, man. Nah, I don't know. I got like exactly. I was like, I got mixed emotions about this one. Bro, you find somebody at the group.
Yo, but I'm a baddies.
Of course, baddies are there.
Yeah,
baddies are for the street, bro. Baddies are for the
that's
street.
why I need to.
So I don't think
you have
can...
to treat a groovist like a groovist.
Yeah.
Just have some fun.
Yeah.
I think if you call a lady, then I corner even shot. But like we kiss people a groove.
Yeah.
We do some weird things.
That's not Vumbayo drive abantu bethu. You kiss.
But remember, Ntwana, ne? When you are at the groove, you live on the moment. Like, yo, bro, I don't think maybe I will never see this person again. So whatever's gonna happen is have to happen like now.
Uyibone, uyithande, nishade, nidivosane lapho kuphelele lapho.
Yeah.
It's very rare ukuthi
to find like a real love at groove. Or maybe it's like
as for me, you know, mina a little bit strict. Ngithanda impilo engathi. And then manje ngizohlangana nawe ku groove. Noma ungathi angizithemba I don't care. Ake ngifune ku groove ngiyekho.
Yeah.
Cala yini? Phela mina ngihlangane nawe ku group.
Yeah.
You get?
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, I think abanye abantu they do find love, man. But for me nah, never.
No, I hear you. So guys are part of the community and whatnot, right? I saw even Mike mention about the tongue condom, especially like as like I'm a lesbian and stuff. You guys
Surprised.
Yeah. There's like more like it's like a condom and whatnot. Can you guys use that thing if it was possible? Or as the Q community people, what's your take on that thing, Vel?
No guys, it's not concerned those of karma if I like no, like I.
What do you mean Utembana?
So angisho ukuthi people who use abacondomizer or whatever abathembani. But imagine so ifakele imini. Nah, I think it's a waste of time. I don't know.
And then Donna?
For the in. It's totally.
Oh, okay.
Little ponchis raw. Ilimi. I'll never see little ponchis. Raw.
Okay, I got a question for you. Okay, do you guys have...
Okay, when I'm now you do math, whatever.
Yeah.
When I would prefer the condom or my
No, like for me, it's like I don't see a reason.
Yeah.
But like I have another question. Hey, today I got a bunch of questions for you guys. Okay, do you guys have the trust issues like us when we're meeting like straight girls, where you have to go and test for STIs, all these diseases? Do you guys take your partners to these things, or else it's like it's whatever? I'm gonna start with you.
Okay, sambe so checka.
Yeah.
Angazi sho.
Like, oh, okay. I wanted to say something. I want to
Say it.
Yeah, I want
No cap.
No, okay. I'm kidding. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Ukuthi, maybe it's because it's your first love. That's
Yeah,
that's why I was going. Ukuthi, maybe it's your first love. But Ntsako, because you've been in the game, dog. So it is what it is.
Oh.
So do you when you find like you're like a new person, do you take that person to go and test or else as lesbians it's like, get out of here, what are we doing?
Ay, ngazi ngithini, angazi if ile nto engizoyisho iphendula umbuzo wakho. I'm in love, ani.
Yeah.
I love love.
Okay.
I love being in love.
Okay.
And then, so, and then as much as ngithanda ukuba in love, angazi ngibe like ngishintsha ama partner in a way ukuthi sengicabanga ukuthi angidlali safe ne.
Okay.
And then I think most abantu engibadatile yabona umuntu manje ungathi akakaphaphi so ngiyabona ukuthi
So you don't really go to somebody who's out there.
No,
in most cases
angazi ngis challenge like truly speaking most of my girlfriend are abantu like yeah.
Okay. They're just starting up on the game or they're not exposed to dating. Like
Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure. So I think maybe ngiyayibalekela the party of test and stuff because kuqala okay maybe if fingering I won't say inokugula kangako besides if you finger someone without using without ugeza izandla and stuff umfayela ama germs akesha ama STI. So maybe mangapusha ngijole because siyenza nani namasiza and this is dangerous.
Yeah.
Dangerous. Maybe if you feel like there's a stage less samasiza and stuff. Yeah.
No, I think for lesbian, I don't know. You can correct me. I think the diseases can only comes via muffing and whatnot.
Yeah.
I think that's
especially Caesar.
Oh, that's
Most,
way.
Yeah. So I think nam Janjoma you should if ngafika kulesa stage sokuthi scare. Maybe I can consider to check because hey guys, ngidlale safe for yonke leminyaka ngizohlangana nawe phepha.
Then Ustola, you're now in the middle of something.
You know.
Nah, I got you, Ntana. So what do you guys think about this? About Facebook paying? Okay, I'm gonna add on that. But like, what do you think about Facebook paying for content? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? What's cooking?
Into the is in 2 ways to
Okay.
it good depending on bed because abantu sebasebenzisa lento ukuthi bafuna imali ngezinto ezirong. Yeah, bashuta izinto ezirong for ukuthola imali. But ngelinye side into right because iyas provided ma content creator yenza imali. Thola ukuthi sithola like bongenandlanhla like ezintweni eziningi ozizamayo maybe umsebenzi esikolweni nani bafika ku content uthola imali yabo.
Yeah, share content. Iyasiza because waqala unemployment rate yala South Africa is very high. And then people are cooking out there. So mabaholi. Yeah. Then inside that bed you people bayisebenzisa futhi nangendlela wrong. Sometimes they bully people just to get
engagement and stuff. Yeah.
Like in thing as I refer to issue like katsotso no make the uthola umuntu like ashare like negative things. Last time eyangihlekisa uthuka I think bethuka utsonto ukuthi uthengena nama BMW mina ngiyagula ngiyifuna le mali yami kumele ungisendele ngizoya ka doctor and stuff you know. Yeah, so I feel like if sisebenzisa like umakhi so umakhi niyamcanga the shop queen
yeah no isibuthe
akahluphi umuntu
no
ukuthi
sometimes udaka
singahleka but ukusebenzisa content ngendlela positive.
Yeah.
Aka step into people's toes.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I think that's pure content creation
Yes.
at its best, especially if you are not doing anything to anybody.
Yes.
China they started nalento kudla amachilisi, sometimes banokushayana bagcoka inkukhu la enyaweni. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, those are content creation.
Yeah. So people
you understand?
abanye man they tend to abuse abanye.
South Africa man. Ayo, South Africa. South Africa started with view once. Huh? Laba bantu ba busy bayidlalisa into zabo.
Yeah, when
I was like, what is going on?
they block you for lento leyo because Facebook inomntana bacamba phela ayikho street. Ngangena mina ngina 9 ngicamba manga ukuthi mina
it's not like yeah.
So abacabangela abantwana, you know, as much as ilizwe limoshekile, but asina expose abantwana to such things, man. It's very.
Have you seen it done? Mapuna everywhere on Facebook now.
Maybe I shoot the video like avezubuza, then I shy you once a private party like idlule.
Yeah, whatever. The viewers is killing the nation now. Even on TikTok, bro. Even on TikTok now they're doing that thing now. To get like 2 point something, 3 point something million. What is that million?
Just be you, man.
Imagine. Nah, SA, nah. SA, let's do better, man. Like, we understand we need money about this meta thingy and TikTok and whatnot, but like, there's a lot of things that if you can't come up with any content, just steal people's content. We as like and remix it. Long term. Do it how you wanna do it and stuff. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, for now you check it. Is that right? Yeah, I think it's right. Yeah.
So yeah.
So I got another question, guys. Especially as ladies, and I'm not talking about Abonsakolan. I'm talking about you ladies there watching us. What do you think about this sanitary towels that they have? You know, these diseases and stuff. Yes. And what do you guys like? How can I put these things? What came to your mind when we heard that like sanitary towels are having this mold sort of like in it actually?
I mean, not really speaking.
And I remember Donna, they tested 7 different types of sanitary pads where there's like these things. Yeah.
I mean, like I don't follow izinto ezinjalo kodwa angizange ngibona before, but I just said you know must use fly.
Yes.
So ngizwile nje ukuthi yabo, but I don't advise people ukuthi basebenzise ama reusable pads and stuff.
Okay.
But for me I feel like it's a lot for me. Yeah. Because reusable goqala you have to wash it.
Yeah.
And then manje mele make sure ukuthi nawe clean because so now uzokhetha ukugula mos in a way.
I know like sort of like wait, what are you saying when most choose a kitchen?
Tell if I clean zone, you have to make sure that it's clean. Pella, remember private part is very sensitive, guys.
Yeah, but like do you think but it's not like you're using somebody's pet or something. You're using what you're using.
You can ungagula wena ngayo lento yakho le if now unakekile.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress, eh?
It's something else, ne?
Yeah.
Ndana Uti, your take on these things when we heard Uti, hey, but to wish you sugar pie.
But in yes, you know me now.
Yeah, they are saying Uti, yeah, you affect the womb and whatnot. Whatever that is, I was by spray or by enzeni on that thingy. But it affect the parati, something like that.
Mina mangiyizwa le ndaba le ivele kwakumini because umama benaceda ungithengela ama pads amaphakethe awu2 and ngavele ngangena ama periodini into engayenza yabona man TikTok bathatha ama pads bayivule then bafaka itorch ngaphansi ukuthi ubone ukuthi lengcolile na so ngayenza nami ngabona ukuthi no man angcolile So mara bengana choice because bese wakhona. Bengengize ngwalahla. Yabo. So I feel kwakuningi nje umuntu sekacabanga ukuthi sekanokugula naye.
Reusable.
Angeke.
Okay,
Maybe
okay.
I should get like maybe 100 of them.
Okay,
Because
what ukuspanisa ama-cups? Niyabona le nto yama-cups?
Why is
Insane! Insane!
Okay, lela cup lenza iyaligcina.
No, like le cup liyamukela whatever is coming from on top.
Nasithola.
I'm googling, I'm searching, guys. I want you guys out there to be safe. I have to search.
Why mele sikhokhe izinto futhi mase
Even yona le understand mina umuntu ofaka le nto leya. Wamele sifake izinto.
and ngibone ku Facebook kukhona umunye umama akubonisa ukuthi umefaka ufolder kanjani.
Wait. So are you saying you don't recommend ama cups to?
I don't recommend people to come for me. I recommend it for myself because I understand good so I mean needs no.
Bezingaya
Couple guys.
abakwenzi thina sinabona.
Couple menstruation.
Okay thina sithola sisho lutho 14 ake sikwenze bona bakwenze sinankingi 14 nje ayikho leyo.
Wena sithola yona.
No, I get it now. Like
Wena uthini wena?
like me, go ahead and use ama cups because they don't have anything. You won't have any. I don't know. That's.
Singafaki izinto kwinto zaphiwa uNkulunkulu.
But like Simpiwe just said now. But
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
And those things maybe is much easier because now, okay, it word. Everything is word. Meaning whatever that is in there, it's easy for it to go inside. I get it. So now we are trying to how can we work around these things because Bati 7 of them. Meaning like Mabacha 7, but like the main ones is like your always your.
And do I basenza kanjalo bona? Why bangafuni sizali?
Akhona wase Shoprite guys.
Lawe fashion mama baka Enzo.
It's
bazala every year.
It's
manje thina manje akasipelani. Thina singaba lesbian guys. Sizoba nabantwana kudalo sisaguga.
So okay.
Sesinabo ma 40 something sithole. Khanye sokuthi ingane lesi ingane.
I hear you.
So abafuna ukusibulalela ikusasa.
I hear you Ntwana. I hear what you're saying.
People that abazoyenza igama lethu liqhubeke.
Peter.
Hayi bengisasho ke.
Yeah.
Singafaki izinto
Inside.
I want to. Lenzani Zoom. Igazi lichithekela lapha.
Yes.
Bese mawuya toilet wenzani uyalichitha uyayinyakaza lento. Or
I think
you can
like
watch. It's a real
yeah, because the plastic lento like see I find them at
yeah, you have flavor.
Yo, uthi angitshela kalento yathi.
Yeah, uyabo
nakuwe.
But you see
adi what like besixoxa ngenye into so afaka lento leyo phakathi ngathi yo andizi I'm not coming. Ekhona wase Shoprite ngisasho namanje. Lewe 5 rand athini. Lawa.
But remember, with 5 rand, I don't think I accommodate bonke abantu.
Oh yeah, abama heavy flow futhi la
heavy flow le 5 rand.
Yeah.
it's not the one.
Mthungero kasika. Le 5 rand I accommodate wonke umuntu. You need something that you understand as accommodate wonke umuntu. Because now we heavy flow that thing I sebenzi.
But like isn't ukuthi umuntu uzohlala like asibhekile ukuthi if ever like as you're saying ukuthi what you know ukuthi it's on you just have to check on yourself with how am I doing.
So I was I want to ask you are you content creator?
Yeah, I'm a content creator at heart.
Okay.
Yeah, the content creator is what we're doing right now.
You're creating content.
We are creating content. What we are talking about is content. Jengos, we are talking about ama cards, we're talking about your birthdays, where people can go and celebrate. These are content. So I'm a content creator. And so I go for a year to say is, yo, guys, let's talk about this. It's a content creator. To sit in front of a camera, even if you are alone, even if you are just alone, you are a content creator. Just to say whatever it's on your mind. You understand?
So would like unjani kuba content creator. You know, for abanye abantu it takes time ukuthi babe like, and then for others just to record a video and then boom. Kula lo bani abathi
Yeah.
so uvela wa trend like nge video
Fast,
wami guess.
yeah.
But obvious winning line asifiki ngendlela efanayo, so like yini ekuqokuzayo ukuthi like
I can't
up, like keep on pushing even though you know sometimes 2 views the next day on
yeah
1,000 and something.
Honestly speaking, in Zagone, it's very frustrating, especially if you're not pushing. Even if you can check on our groups, on like the channel group where everyone is there. Like, bro, I have a frustration, especially if I know there's like people who have a potential, like Gaze Chat. Just because you guys you are not pushing, like we don't really know what tomorrow holds. You get, and we don't know who's watching. That's why I told you have like people who are supporting you. For an example, sometimes people who buy you lens and everything, you don't know what are they seeing in you. You get, so one leg of posting, one leg of whatever, you don't know what he writing big. And I mean, I like in a frustration, especially if the video that I have put out there it is not doing well. Like I feel like it's like, yo, bro, it's a waste of work, bro. Ngiphatalele lento yoku-edita ngayo ukuthi ingasakhiphi ngiphatale like 600 for the whole year. You understand? So meaning these things have to be useful. Uyabona lento watermark leya beyiphuma before ibonisa ukuthi usebenza yini is no longer there now. I have paid ukuthi okay, right now these things kumele ihamba kanje. Uyangithola? Which nakusasa, even if like you want to advertise for a brand or something, so it can make sense for them. Ngeke phela manje iOmo ifuna uku-advertise lana ngapho kuvela sticker, for example, let's say ibe uFacebook uvela teka Facebook or TikTok. No, you can't have that thing. You understand? So you have to pay those things. This is a part of lights, it's part of a camera, it's part of what. That's why now you have to pay for those things. I still remember what's this one? She once said this, man. Umbani lo bayashuta ni kwenje. No, not the other one. Come to Umbani. Yeah? No, not Adi. There's the other one. Yeah, Oko Numuni. One said, which why is telling me that watermark and everything. Yeah. We don't want that thing there. Make sure we see if you are patala or use another thingy. You get? And I was like, okay, it makes sense. So things that make sense for the channel to grow, I take it very serious. Everybody who's gonna say, yo, Sicholo, why don't you do 1, 2, 3? Then I was like, okay, it's on. So for you to be like a content creator, bro, just sit in front of your camera.
You know me, speaking, I see myself as a content creator.
Yeah.
But I'm just scared. Or angazi
yeah.
Maybe recording that one video, you know, like I have what if? What if? You know, I'm just scared.
But you're already shooting, bro. You've been shooting since last year, dog.
By the way I move with I'm very inspired. Like I feel like mainly like with the salary I must shoot and encourage umuntu ohola le mali ukuthi angayiboni as imali encane. It can do something big even though I want to record those moments. Before ndafika today ngiyamtshela ngithi hey yazi le room anginasikhathi clean room you know, bengithi ngiyacleana namhlanje so usithola usitextile ukuthi size and stuff whatever. And then before bengifuna ukuzishoota ngicleana like i-room
bro, what you need? What you need is that, honestly, what you need is a tripod and a ring light.
No, I'm not confident.
Just press it. Okay, you know what, ne? Do this, we'll see it will work, ne? Don't think about it too much. Don't think about the perfect angles. Don't think about what. If you're preparing your bed, just press record and says, yo guys, ish, I just woke up, whatever.
In a
Then yeah.
It's very slow, but I'm getting there. Kungithatha maybe 2 months ukwenza something oyibona like I want to record those moments but never stop trying.
Yeah, just record, bro.
But yeah, njalo mimi for the first time ever ngena ku TikTok ngingena la ishuta khona and then angithi first time ilibele idlala ama sound engifuna ukuyuse I'm like let me just leave it ngadlala ngefoni, you know, like
no man,
what you are content creator, man.
What you need to do, you are already content creator because you've been here Bafana Bate, you've been shooting. What you need to do is to press that record and do what you have to do. No, it's easy, bro. Like it's easy.
Confidence.
Okay. There's another chat that like I want you guys to I don't know how you guys gonna cook this one, eh? Ladies mostly, you will relate. Ladies mostly they say men's are dogs. Fuck men's. Men's are dogs. These and things, ne? But they go to Turkey, get the BBL. For the dogs, alright? They get the BBL for the dogs. They whiten their skin for the dogs. They go extra mile. Do you know how painful it is? Do you understand, bro? So my question is this, ne? Why ladies think like that? Like, yo, these guys are dogs and whatnot, but yet you do the opposite. Do you know surgery, how painful it is, bro? A surgery.
I mean, I just think
but like cleans, keep like amafutha ngapha. Bawafaka ngapha ukuthi uzokhona. Do you understand, bro?
Singamantombazane kahle sizazi ukuthi sifuna nini.
Ne?
Yeah, sifuna izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esiyi-one. Because obviously mawuzothi amadoda izinja. Obviously usuke uhethiwe. Lo one usuke uhethiwe bese ubona bonke
izinja zamampela bobani.
Bafana beTechnedo.
You know with girls you can never predict. Ne.
Okay.
Bona bangena sebakwazi ukuthi le python, but wena will never know ukuthi inyoka enjani. Because they move different. Amantombazane yebo ninga preacher ilanga lonke lithi men's a dog whatever. But izinja zamampela amachiri. You know uyahlala nomuntu umuntu like once into is wild and you'll never know. But when of course we out and usithole angeke azaphume 3 days angabambi. But when I won't think cause ukuthengisela ini image ukuthi mina I'm a good girl. Your girls are evil. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
I'm from Tongoma.
But like I just don't understand. Like, bro, people like do the unthinkable just for attention from boys. Yet you're saying boys are like just a shitty human being. I was like, yo, why are you even doing these things to yourself, bro?
Why, man? I feel like me no want to feel the
way ungakhona
most slender,
ungaqini.
You know that's
natural,
true. You know, lento sesihambe siyibonisa abantu kumele ube lento esiphezulu ekhikheni. So you guys go extra mile shem because abafana.
Laba engabafuni ngithi men's are dogs.
Nje basile laba. Izinto zamampela amachiri.
So these things it's similar to someone who it's not like I don't it's not because I don't have, you know, iPhones and whatnot, ne? But like it's similar to it. Like, bro, I don't understand. Like, we have normalized to be scammed so much in such a way. You would see, we pay for subscription. Like, you pay to listen to music. You don't own that music, bro.
Yeah.
Do you understand? In Netflix, it's a scam in Netflix. Cause like you don't have that movie.
Yeah.
And now you are paying like monthly to watch same thing over and over and over.
Okay.
To me, it doesn't make sense, bro. It's like it's either I download these things simple and have it whenever I wanna. I don't have to pay.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you understand how iPhones and Netflix and other things how Showmax? These things are scam, bro. What do you think about this thing, bro?
I feel like Melis Patale once, man.
You're already paying for DSTV, though.
Nah, yes, Nigan.
You content swap.
A1 every day.
And if you want like a big TVs and whatnot, you have to have a TV license.
Yeah. In the bed.
And I'm a TV license too.
Why Melo when the TV
I don't know, bro. There's a license for everything.
You
Bro.
scam me on getting telling.
That's why you see, we have normalized e-cam so much. Like, bro, Apple Music is wild. Spotify is wild. You go there and pay to listen to this music. Music that you can download on your Android or on your PC.
Plus I'm Android because I'm a scissors. Just see broken shit.
Most of that kind of music. Imagine, bro. Like you don't download, you don't do anything. Just go there and stream.
Space we are Spartan. For
iClouds. You have to have. What is going on, Bella?
Technology, sir. Technology.
It's too much, man. I don't know, man. Anyway, happy belated again, bro. Shout out to you. I hope you did enjoy.
So, guys, then it's an invite to go for mommy.
Yeah.
A room, it's fully finished. Man, this is a push. I'm now showing
but you're cooking. I saw you are got like the biggest TV.
Yeah, that's why it's inspired.
You're cooking.
Push.
You're cooking.
Trust me, you know, I was like, I think into like a road last year around October. Yeah, last year around October, because I'm calling November to do something. I'm December. So I'm October, and this year I like something that remember celebrating my birthday. We're happy island birthday man. We against whatever birthday man. So like
I know we're sparring.
Hey man, small.
When we learn as a that's like I was like, yeah, she's cooking.
That's a success, so this
Donna, anything that I'm leaving that you wanted to squash on today's show?
It's like how do you feel, Mangabe? Okay, kona laba fanga, especially Mazulu banga accept you know that kontomba da mitsamba tomba. When like mahamba nomuntu akho afika umuntu athi mina ngizonshada nethu.
Alright.
Izolo like receiver izinto ezibhlungu kanti like so ukuthi if you choose ukuba you have like to live and learn with whatever that's gonna happen any day, anytime, you know. Yeah. So izolo siyanyuka no girlfriend. Ukuthi angibhekanga emuva to see ukuthi ubani lo. Khona umjita belathi. Yena 20 rand round. Ngiyabanda. Nolala niyafana yini noyenza uzandla 20 rand eliwa. You get like we receive so much and me that lately like I've been receiving like the other day siyahamba no girlfriend and then she was like wena ngithanda wena izinto ezinjani nale ndoda yakho. You get like people but man hey yes me I feel like bakwatisa into engiyenzayo bona bangakhona yeah so like boys anifuni ukuhluleka and then nina nithatha ngathi competition and do you agree?
You see, these are another thing that you're asking me about, like a content creation and stuff. These are another thing. That's why I created this platform. We see a lot of people. My wish is to educate. You get. Like abantu abafana nalabo, then say these things which okay. So lento lena impilo na. I'm being disrespectful for me to say yeah.
Umuntu react kanjani to lento yiyo umuntu even when you straight or when you don't akusonke umuntu ozokuthanda man but sidinga ama enemy in order for us to grow guys sidinga ukukhubeka endleleni siwe sivuswe in order for me ukuthi ngibe ilonsakhe ngoyi so I mean I don't care and then man ukuthi manje man kuma loyal stages mina ngisazoqilaza basazokhala
yeah
bazongibona la stages
yeah
basazokhala I feel like basakhaliswa ubala basanomona ngento nje okuncane nkosiyami kuncane nkosiyami
yes
uphusha guys ukhamba uye ku-cherry say yazi mina ngiyafuna now ungayenza now ngoba kusasa
yeah but it seems easier when you say it
that's why ngibona Sithole because it seems easier
no but
like yentombini itshela uyayithanda
no hear me out it is what it is ne it's much easier for you as Ntako. But to be honest, it is not an easy thing. I don't know why. Nami, I still remember when we were in high school and whatnot. They used to say but me now, what I told myself, okay, I'm gonna share 10, but I'm looking for 4.
And I was able 10.
You get. Then I end up getting 6. Out of this 10, then now you look like you are a player or something. Can't is being you know what? If I'm funny, I'm gonna move on.
Hey, none by Tobazadi.
What are you saying?
None by Tobazadi.
Yeah. What do you mean?
But look at this being the most I give gun.
No, it's not easy. You know,
it's thinking. Let me tell you something. You guys think go easy because our girls
yeah, but like bro, like in Filangati. Okay. Look, okay.
Guys,
this is how I see it.
Just that I can't share any information.
Okay. This is how I see it. Ne? Simbi, you are saying with it's Tina Melody spin. Of course, you have to have the spin because there's no guy, even the girls, who can take a disappointment. Disappointment, it's something else, bro. It shatters you, bro. To be disappointed like that, then just imagine when Mausuga Lana will to yo Tabanga. Do you understand? Then Ulona or else you never ever do you understand, bro? Like I'll be so but like to you, it's like it's whatever. Do you understand? That's why I'm a teacher. You have to make sure Gucci. It's dress code. You must make sure Gucci.
You know what? Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
You can't approach a girl.
Yeah.
Trust me. Chances are very low unless if beg with your stories.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna get a girlfriend, just be a friend. No, hey, you know those small talks is only the good trip. What you know, once or Kruman trust me,
you know it's on now.
After a few weeks.
Yeah.
Shy story.
Yes.
Trust me, or before when I put some mind, they are very honest.
Yeah.
Before the shy story, and I started confessing, you know. So Nina Funu very need to pop so.
No, it's not. It's not even like that.
No. Just be friends. Just be.
It disappointment. That's what boys fears.
Hayi nina nisile no boys like nifuna ukushara ngekani number 1.
Ngenkani.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Angeke uqala ukubona uzulu sofuna ukuthi intombi.
Okay, besides
That's not attractive because
umuntu uzothi ngicela ama number wakho ne. Angifuni dude. Lethi phone yakho ngifaka wami. Yini lento le?
Iba islima secherry, relax. Miyakalile le ndlela zosiya, le red carpet yami. Can't you know what's coming?
But you know,
relax.
But you know what boys fears when it comes to shillering chicks? We fear a lady who stops, ne, and listen to you, ne, like, and make you feeling ati you are winning. Oh, we don't want those ones. Yo, bro. Such a high hopes.
Mina ngikwazi ukushare. Ngangcono I'm even scared ukucela inamba. Ngangcono itsila ngiyenza umzamo ukuthola number yakho, uyithoke efonini. Ngiba nje bambizana umuntu wama comedy. Ngisho amahlaya. You laugh and ubona ukuthi hayi cha sengahleki for the rest of my life. You get angikwazi ukushare yo angikwazi I love you udlu ntombazane sitheke umsunda nyongo ngithukwela ngithukutha
That's you.
hayi never
kakhulu.
benza kanjalo ngithi baba draw iline lapha
abantu basekheza then athi now don't
I before sifike emaphethelweni weshow just want to say thank you Sithole. Angazi nayibona kithi esingayiboni speaking ikhonto ayibonayo thina because yazi bengisatshe girlfriend nami siyazana I feel like usithola ubona something engafuni ukuyiphesua ngayo but eventually mina ngingazi ukuthi wena ufela kanjani ngingaboni thina sonke and lento yenza Sithole it's very big fana nokuthatha ingane edlala isibhola uyixosha estradini so usingeke sinotice because ama camera light section you know it's very big even though ubona ngathi phusha kancane trust me kwamehlo abanye abantu you are doing really big don't stop as much as ujabulele lens yakho it shows ukuthi passionate akusinto vele wayibona kusibani bayenza then you woke up and say ufuna ubeka icamera la ufuna ubeka i-ring light la and shoot no keep on pushing amalanga awafani namhlanje uzovuka neview e1 tomorrow uvuka na million trust me expect ukuvuka kusasa na 5 views but keep on pushing someone is watching and then one day angeke kube ukuhlala nje so futhi angathi so people know your studio go shoot the studio sakho
I did
finding ma umuntu before you go big mele ube khona la uqala khona and before you make money you have to lose money so I complain too much man ngizabantu uNkulunkulu ngamthanda umuntu ocomplain
just the process
when une ring light une camera khona onganayo nefone ucela ukushuta kumngane wakhe ukuthi ngicela ungibaleke ongishute into kanje no so just keep on pushing man trust me you lose people
that's true it's part of the journey
uzothola abantu you're gonna get someone ozoma nawe even so one ukuthi hayi sithole manje asaphushi sesiyashuta for fun but trust me someone is watching you're gonna go big
thanks
keep on pushing.
Thanks, man. I say something, especially in you, both of you guys. Like, bro, like, for Simpiu to say, yo, are we shooting or coming here earlier? Oh, okay, no. It's those small moments that I appreciate so much, and I see if ever we can keep pushing like these, né? We will go far. As much as you're saying with yo, I want to create content, I want to do this is at least you have a startup. Even if one day you want to do something separate, you can say yo Sithole, come shoot me influencer and do so it's much easier. Even if like maybe you want to do, for example, let's say it's a housewarming, and then say, yo, Story, I wanna have like a mini party or anything. Please come through. We're gonna do Ama Games. I wanna post this on my whatever, as much as you're saying with TikTok or whatever. Come shoot. I'm gonna come with my best camera, with my best lens, operate whatever operating, then and give it to you. It's a journey that matters, bro. It's like where we're going. That's why a lot of people don't really get it where we're going. Until now, let's say something happens, a deal comes, and now we start making money. Then people will say, oh shit, I wish I didn't leave. I wish. There's always those people, bro. I used to shoot this out.
But mina and sort of this step I should soon have a dream.
Yeah.
Ngabe nale mindset ukuthi ngibambeke if someone shoot. You know, khona abantu engamelanga ubaluse.
Yeah. Like abantu bafana nobo OB.
Yeah.
Yes, Kasike stories. I dreamed about Kasike stories before it happens.
Yeah. Even now before you more chala
Yes, they came and said,
I was joking,
bafikela basiboshe saying ukuthi yes, story kuna lesbian lana abonsako bathi and baningi mara what. So you see baningi, but like how many people are interested?
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. So like how many people are interested and says, yo, we wanna do this thing. You get? So yeah, man, I was so excited. I saw soccer podcast because I wanted like people to debate about soccer like this. I once told you about.
Much about soccer.
Yeah, but like I once told you about it. So I saw soccer podcast. While like on my visions, I saw soccer. I saw like my show. I saw Kasike story. I saw close to 5 shows that I've seen. Then I wake up in the morning and I wrote it down. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this about this. I didn't even know.
You were grinding.
But you know me, I don't even go out here and everything. Sure. Then Mzex came. Then I was like, yo, bro, do you know any gay people around Philip? Because I haven't seen anyone yet. Orlando came here. I don't even know people. He was like, yo, actually I know. I was like, yo, can you hook me up? Then Obi came. They didn't know which was a shoot. They thought maybe I wanna ask them something. And I was like, yo, then I'm a coach, you know me with fire. I was like, no guys, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm gonna do, we're gonna talk about this. Then I wrote the script for them to sit down. They was like, oh yes, we can do these things. Then I was like, yo, let's do it. But they came back for the next show. I wrote what they should talk about. Yeah, but we killed the second show, third show, fifth show. Then I started going back. I was like, yo, this is about you. Because I don't know. Maybe I have used the little knowledge that I have. Or maybe the babies are Neslung. What people say is witty. Gays are this, gay are that. You know. Because I'm going to talk about like how they make sex or do sex. And see, as much as you're saying witty, I want to do content so bad. Just press record. What you need is to start. Just press that record and then the rest will follow. So as much as you know, people came here, we created Kasike stories. So one thing about me, I want people to be themselves. I don't wanna say no, don't do this. Of course I can say phone and like things that is normal. But I want people to run their own thing. Young child. But that's stories when the show it's easy. Do that show. Go by like when yourself. You get. So yeah, man, that's how everything came about.
You know, Tinamani is a garden as much as I want to but Nyakalo shall come the camera.
Yeah.
Record myself.
Yeah.
You get. So Abanya don't have a pill because managing yes and Mundu. Sometimes you don't want to ask what's behind whatever you're seeing. So sasa ngizoza ngomuntu ofuna ukushoot lo muntu you see une potential back. Yes sir. Just ngaphela umoya man, keep like we are really pushing. Ewugcina keep on supporting usithole lokhuluma bafethu Ntsako intombi ezinye kahle kahle uNtsako intombi like peace out.
Yeah. Okay, we're out guys.